Unit 2 Symmetric Key Cryptography. So in this unit we are going to discussing about the groups, rings and fields. In groups, rings and field groups, rings and fields are the fundamental elements of a branch of mathematics that is known as abstract algebra or modern algebra. In abstract algebra, we are concerned with set on whole elements we can operate algebraically. First one, groups. A groups G I, sometimes it is denoted by Gi dot, is a set of elements with a binary operation which is denoted by dot that associates to each ordered pair A comma B of elements in G and element of A dot B in G such that the following axioms are obeyed. The operator dot is generic and that can refer to addition, multiplication or some other mathematical operation. A1 closure. If A and B belongs to G, then A dot B is also in G. Second one, associative. A2 A dot B dot C is equal to A dot B dot C for all A comma B comma C in G. Third one is identity element. There is an element E in G such that A dot E is equal to E dot A is equal to A for all A in G. A4 inverse element. For each A in G, there is an element A dash in G such that A dot A dash is equal to A dot A is equal to E. Cyclic group. We define exponentiation within a group as repeated association, repeated application of the group operator so that A cube is equal to A dot A dot A dot. Further, we define A0, A power 0 is equal to E, the identity element, and A power minus n is equal to A dash of power n. A group G is cyclic if every element in G is a power A power k. K is an integer of a fixed element A summation of G. The element A is said to be a generate the group G or to be a generator of G. A cyclic group is always abelian and may be finite or infinite. The additive group of integers is an infinite cyclic group generated by the element 1. In this case, powers are interpreted additively so that n is the nth power of 1. Rings. A ring are sometimes denoted by r dash plus comma x is a set of elements with two binary operations called addition and multiplication such that for all A comma B comma C in capital R, the following axioms are obeyed. A1 to A5, R is an abelian group with respect to addition, that is R that satisfy axioms A1 through A5. For the case of an additive group, we denote the identity element as 0 and the inverse of A as A. M1, that is closure under multiplication. If A and B belong to R, then AB is also in R. N2, associative of multiplication. A of BC is equal to AB of C for all A comma B comma C in R. Third one is distributive laws. A of B plus C is equal to AB plus AC for all A comma B comma C in R. Second distributive law, A plus B of C is equal to AC plus BC for all A comma B comma C in R. Field. Fields. A field Fi sometimes denoted by Fi plus a comma x. It's a set of elements with two binary operations called addition and multiplication, such that for all a comma b comma c in F, the following axioms are obeyed. A1 mx. Here F is an integral domain, that is F that satisfy axioms A1 through A5 and M1 through M6. M7, that is multiplication inverse. For each A in F except 0, there is an element A power minus 1 in F such that A of minus 1 is equal to A dot A minus 1 of A is equal to 1. In essence, a field is a set in which we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division without leaving the set. Division is defined with the following rule: A divided B is equal to A of B minus 1. It is a familiar example of field or the rational numbers, the real numbers and the complex numbers. Note that the set of all integers is not a field, because not every element of the set that has a multiplicative inverse. In fact, only the elements 1 and minus 1 have multiplicative inverse in the integers. Introduction. It is also known as secret key, single key, private key. Assumption. Sender and receiver share already a secret key. Assumption that requires solution to key distribution problem. Symmetric key algorithms also popular for file encryption. Then here encryptor is equal to decryptor. Weak algorithms. Classical substitution and transposition ciphers as discussed last week, that is stronger algorithms. DES here no longer considered safe, that is triple DES. AES it is which was invented by Reginald. Third one is IDEA. Fourth one is RC5 and RC6. Fifth one is Blowfish and sixth one is many other algorithms. Encryption and decryption. Here plain text is denoted by P, which gives encrypt E, that gives the ciphertext C. Here C is equal to EK of P. The key is capital key, K is denoted by capital K key. So ciphertext same key is used for both the plain text and ciphertext. So decrypt function is decrypt of D, which gives the plain text P. So finally P is equal to plain text is equal to DK of EK of P. DES, data encryption standard. It is intended usage unclassified government business USA and sensitive private sector businesses. It was legally a munition in the US like rocket launchers. DES that could not be legally exported from the US as a software, and it is give permission to printed on a t-shirt only in US book. Again it is recertified every 5 years, that is 1983, 1988 and 1993. The US NSA, that is National Security Agency, were reluctant for DES to be recertified in 1988. This is an plain text encrypted 64 bits at a time, 56 bits used for a key. So 2 power 56 is equal to 7.2 into 10 to the power of 16 possible keys. So capital E is the encryption. So for plain text it uses 64 bit key. Likewise ciphertext it uses 64 bit key. So for the key processing secret key it uses the 56 bit key. Here DES is an example of block cipher, but it can also be operated as a stream cipher. So desired design criteria: ciphertext should depend on the plain text and the key in a complicated and involved way. Each bit of ciphertext that should depend on all bits of plain text and all bits of the key. Avalanche effect. Small changes to input that cause massive variation in output. In DES flipping, one bit of the key or one bit of a 64-bit input block will flip 50% of the output block's bits.